Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on the Samsung Double Oven electric range. Model number is going to be NE59J7850WS. It's in stainless steel, and there's some really cool features on this that we'll kind of delve into here. First off, we're going to talk about the cooktop. It is a 5-burner cooktop. You've got your fast boil or your power boil or whatever you want to call it. This is going to obviously boil everything quickly, or the 1/4 water is going to be done, in about 5 minutes or so, something like that. So you've got 1 burner, 2 burners, 3. You can slip it into any of them if you wanted something to burn quickly, or if you want a soft boil, as far as if you're wanting to simmer something. You're very comfortable with something like this, where you get a low simmer on that one. You have a griddle here as well. That you can either split into 1 or 2. So if you do pancakes or whatever on the weekend, you can put your griddle pan right here. I know that most electric ranges kind of place out to 2 in the middle, 2 in the back. So if you're doing a griddle, you kind of have to angle it so that you can get both in its uneven heat. This way it can all be separated and split right in all the correct places. As you can see here, we have an upper oven option and a lower oven option. The upper oven does have convection bake, convection roast, broil. Our lower oven just has convection bake and regular bake. So let's take a look on the inside of the unit here. So as you can see, we do have this really cool plate that I'll get more into. But if I take that out, this is going to be 5.9 cubic foot of space. So fantastic for any kind of Thanksgiving turkey or anything like that, any bigger meals that you're making. But if we do pop this in here, you can see that we have 2 convection fans, one on the top, one on the bottom. So what we can do with this is there's a handle at the back of the top door here that you can press in, open that up, and that gives you access to just one very small oven to begin with. So basically what that means is you can split 2 different meals. So you can have a different temperature going up here, like a really bad example would be pizza and fries. So you put your pizza up here, you can open this up, you put your fries down in the bottom, or something like that. Obviously, I'm not certain that this doesn't bleed through heat, but that would be a concern of mine. I would have to kind of look more into this and figure out how strong that is and how much that would keep the temperatures separate. But Samsung are a good brand. I'm sure that they're doing the most. And the cool thing about this is as well, it is soft close. So eventually it will close, but yes, it is soft close. Also, we do have a warming drawer down here. This isn't for storage, and there's an extra cavity underneath that you'll be able to fit deeper items in there. So if you did have a roast chicken or something, you could definitely pop that in there, keep it warm right next to the floor where you want to keep your food, right? Obviously not. Another thing as well, it's really cool, they do have a steam clean function as well as a self clean. Steam clean is actually going to be way better for the unit itself, as opposed to doing a regular self clean. Self clean, I'm sure you guys know, it's like a 4-hour, 6-hour process, and it's really high heated temperatures. Steam clean is going to be a lot lower temperatures, and it takes about 20 minutes, they say. 20 minutes just to clean the whole unit out. It'll fog up the glass. You can wipe everything down, wipe it all out, and job done. No nasty smells or anything like that. So that's all I have on this appliance. We actually have it priced right now at $11.99. There's going to be so many more things that you guys can check out on this. Check it out on our website at ApplianceFactory.com. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.